All right, the $1,000,000 question, should I do concrete or should I do pavers? And I'm gonna quick, in 30 seconds, explain the difference. So think of this as good, better, best. Concrete is good. It's one color, very neutral. Not a whole lot of design, aesthetic purposes, traits, color enhancements that you can do unless you go to stamped concrete. Now, the nature of concrete is still the nature of concrete is and always will be, which is, number one, prone to cracking. This is the foundation of the house, which is even thicker than this pad. This pad that we've already covered, what we've done, this is probably 10 to 15 years old, the existing concrete. We're just going, this is called an overlay, right over the top. We've got a very thin stone course, no thicker than inch and a half in some spots. And we're doing what's called a screeding process where we're getting it really level. We went right over the top of the concrete, extended just past the edge around here for our edge restraint. This entire section will be pavers. Pavers are the premium, the Cadillac of the market. Then there's also tile, which is gonna be in that same paver lineup. We'll talk about that in another video. But today, why are we going over the concrete? Number one, it's dirty. Number two, it's cracked. Number three, it's settled a little bit. Now, is it going to settle so much so that I have to remove it entirely? No, this is actually in pretty good shape. They poured a 6-inch pad, standard now is 4-inch. So this is old school concrete work, which it did its job. But as you can see here, we want to pull out some of the coloring from the existing house, cedar columns, so that dark brown in the cedar, this cocoa brown from Unilock, this is Matoni, this is before it's sealed, this will be after it's sealed. It brings out a really rich brown color. This is the black from Teco Block. I just love their deep rich black. So I'm mixing, I am not product favorable. I mean, we'll mix and match whatever it takes so that we can get the end desired look for our clients' homes. And so you can see here, we've got a pretty light color palette, and we've got the warm tones, we've got some cool tones. This is pretty on trend, I guess you could say. So we've got an outside border, we'll have brown border, black border, brown border, and then we'll have a 45-degree pattern. The goal here is that when you come down these stairs, the angles are gonna be right on top of this fireplace. This is the focal point. So with all the space and with all the noise around here, everything will draw you right to here, which is where we want the eyes to see and land. So that's the benefit of pavers over concrete. Will this crack? No. If it settles, I can pull it back out, reset my joints in spots here, there, whatever. I could drive a skid steer on this like I drive a skid steer on this. I could drive my truck on this as I can drive a truck on this. Fire truck on this, fire truck on that. You get the point. The biggest advantage is this is a craftsman product. You got to touch every little piece to make this work, which means a lot of labor, very labor intensive, and it's a lifetime product. So my vote is always pavers.